What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, July 1st, Friday before 4th of July. So typically, holidays before, Fridays before a holiday weekend tend to be quiet. You have the bonds closing at noon, and we usually see very light trade and trickles. I don't know if that'll be the deal today because there's so much macro going on. Just my theory, when you saw energies get absolutely murdered yesterday, you had, in my mind, kind of more of a manipulation to get everything to, a less terrible level for end of quarter, end of month yesterday. Now you're seeing a rebound in all of those. You're starting to see a drop in the euro. We'll go over that in a second. So in my mind, that's the risk, is the fact that they tried to pretty up inflationary stuff and stuff like that before quarter end, and then now it's like I guess free market is on, right? Let's. So now all the macro is going to kick in. These next 2 months are going to be very interesting, to say the least. There's a lot going on. There's a lot under the table, and from a macro aspect, the capital flows and everything else, Europe is the harbinger. We've got to watch that, and I don't know what this looks like moving forward. All I know is there's going to be a lot more moving parts, and it's going to be less happy for the time being. That doesn't mean we can't rally. That doesn't mean don't get preconceived ideas. Again, so typically Friday before a holiday is quiet. Bonds close at noon. I'm weary that this won't be the case, just because there was so much movement yesterday in different markets that looked like that they wanted to kind of settle up and get that square. So just keep an eye on that. Energies are roaring back today. 37.44, 37.93 is your overnight, working on an inside day. 38.25 is huge upside. So watch for that level if we get up there. 30.25, then 40. Again, what it's been doing is hitting that 25, going to like 27, 28, and then reversing. It's like it gets people off sides that are playing those levels. It's been doing that recently, did it the other day. 44, 41, still a level here, that 35, and then, 3,700, I think Joey posted in that, 36.93. So these are the levels we'll be watching. I don't know if we're going to get, some huge move today, or if we just consolidate. Again, typically Friday before holiday is quiet and you just have a consolidation day, but anything can happen today. Relvol 112 at time. Here's your daily. This is that fun little line I drew. So as of that, up today, to get above that would be 4,000. So we've come up, stopped, halted, come back down. Now we're going to kind of settle in and see where we go, if we travel back up or touch back lows. Again, macro wise, lows should be about 3,500, and then we could bounce from there. I'm not saying we get down there, but that's kind of what we're looking at. Let's go to, here's the euro dropping. It's holding on to 104 barely by the skin of its teeth as of now. Yesterday it dropped pretty good, and then we rallied they rallied it really hard up into 106 area. So we'll see if this continues down or if it reverses during cash open. SPX big cash gap up to 4017. I'm not worried about that. And you still have the 35 or 3715 to 3707 right here. So that is definitely in play today. And then that 3640 level will be fairly crucial. So we'll see. We'll see how, again, we could see an inside day. This could be a iron fly day. This could be an iron condor day. But I don't know with there's a lot moving, especially with the energy markets and everything else. So we'll see. I don't know. But anyway, stay safe. This is Friday. Don't ruin your weekend today. So if you don't see it, don't trade it. And I think second breakouts have been pretty good. So anyway, stay safe. Sorry, I'm getting a phone call, and have a happy 4th of July.